right, the lounge chair just arrived. We're gonna get this put together. 2 of them in 1 box. Do these come with pads? No, so these don't have pads. They're just the wicker. All right, guys. No assembly required on these. Looks like you just a little flip out legs. What are those little bags right there? Oh, okay. So these have little
extra feet.
Yeah, little feet on there. Okay. Just a tag. All right. Would go put them out by the pool, but pool's not done yet. Pretty nice. Yeah, so on the reviews, we were reading that people were complaining about some of the hardware and the metal part of this rusting or getting rust on it. So we're planning on, before we start using it, just to spray it with some Rust-Oleum paint. We're just trying to figure out where exactly it would rust. This is the only, that's metal, that bar there. Maybe here. Maybe it's not stainless steel. There's a little bolt there. Yeah, not bad. Pretty comfy. I guess you could put cushions on it, right? You could put a cushion on it, but not bad as is. See, this is adjustable here. So you have it. That's the lowest it reclines, so. And then it does go flat, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, kind of like a dark brown. You said recline all the way down like that. If you want to lay all the way down. This bar right here, though, is kind of like you're sitting. You kind of feel that. Yeah, you kind of feel that bar right there.
Cushions would help with that.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, I guess it's just seeing how well it holds up. All right, we got it turned upside down. We just want to identify places where it could rust, where rust could develop. I think what we're going to do is get you a can of, this is just a gloss black. I tried some dark brown, and that doesn't really match that well. So underneath it here, we're going to spray a little. Spray that area there. On this side, we're gonna okay, those are like the exposed areas. Saw in a few pictures where some of the staples, I can't see too many of them. Some of the staples rust, some of the staples that they use to secure this this weaving pattern onto the metal was stapled. Oh, it's like right there, there's a staple. Oh no, that's not a staple. There's a couple staples you can see. I'm just gonna those with a little bit of paint right there. This one there. Okay. Okay, so this is the reclining part. So we're just lifting it forward here, just getting the tops of those. There. Top there. And that screw goes in there. It's what? It's probably easiest to do just a quick little touch-up spray paint while it's in the box. That way you don't get any overspray anywhere else. Keeps it in the box. But there's just those couple spots. Just hit all those screw heads. See any exposed staples, just hit those with the spray paint. And I think that might eliminate any future rusting problems. All right, we like these kind because they stack on top of each other. So we have two of them stacked up right here. They'll stack flat. So it's nice for the winter time. We can stack them away and put them away. Don't take a lot of room. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned and subscribe for more updates as we get the pool done and start using them. Thanks.